Good morning students, welcome to Social Science class, Unit 1, What is History? Today we are going to learn about what is history, importance of history and the lifestyle of the prehistoric man. So what is history? History is study of past events in chronological order. So daily you are listening the news, isn't it? Yes. When you recollect the news, after few days it will become a history for you. So history says about past events in chronological order. Here new word is chronology. Chronology means putting things in the order of time. The term history has been derived from the Greek word historia, which means learning by enquiry. Historians needs to know the sequence of how events occurred to make sense of what happened. Who is historian? Historian means the person who studies, who do research about history, who write about history. They need to know sequence. Sequence means order. Which one happens first? That is the sequence of order. Timeline of history. Timeline is very important in history. Students, see this picture. Time in history calculated in years using BCE or CE, which stands for Before Common Era or Common Era. And AD stands for Anno Domini. Next, proto-history. It is the period between prehistory and history. Prehistory means what? Prehistory means when we don't have any written evidence or records. So it is the period when the early man lived. Early man lived in the forest. They were going to one place to another. They were hunters. They don't have any written records. In ancient period, the people lived in caves, used to draw painting in rocks called rock painting. They might have wished to record their activities through these paintings. Herodotus, he is the father of history. He is the great historian, known for writing the books Histories. He is the first writer to narrate history. Children, here see, this picture shows some major Indian excavated sites. Prehistoric ages are Paleolithic Age, Neolithic Age, Iron Age and Bronze Age. In Tamil Nadu, Brahmagiri, Payyamballi, Adirampakkam and Adichanallur. On the side you find all the key which has Paleolithic Age, Neolithic Age, Iron Age and Bronze Age. We can say that Adichanallur is the Iron Age and Adirampakkam is a Paleolithic Age. Children, we already saw what is proto-history. Yes, that is the period between prehistory and history. The period for which records in writing are available but not yet disappeared is called proto-history. Okay, today we are leading a safe life with all modern equipments. Yes or no? But our ancestors did not live in such a safe environment. There might have been chances of wild animals entering their caves. But they realized that dogs could help them to prevent the entry of such dangerous animals by its sniffing skill. Hence, they started domesticating dogs for their protecting and hunting activities. Okay, dear children, let us recall now. Yes, what is history? History is the study of past events in chronological order. The term history has been derived from the Greek word historia, which means learning by enquiry. What is prehistory? The period between the use of first stone tools and the invention of writing system is called prehistory. What is proto-history? That is the period between prehistory and history. The period for which records in writing are available but not yet disappeared is called proto-history. Okay children, I hope you all understood this lesson. Thank you students.